Hello, welcome to the Voice of Libraries Pakistan. Today we will discuss ACRL, the Association of College and Research Libraries. ACRL was established in 1940. It is a vital professional organization for college and research libraries working towards the advancement of libraries in higher education. ACRL is actually a division of the American Library Association, AALL. The main goals of ACRL include developing standards for academic libraries, promoting information literacy and research support, providing professional training for librarians, and guiding research and publication. Dear students, the year of establishment often comes as a one-line question in exams, so be sure to remember it. One of the critical focuses of ACRL is the establishment of standards for academic libraries, which helps ensure that institutions provide quality resources and services to their communities. They promote information literacy, enabling students and faculty to effectively find, evaluate, and use information for their research needs. ACRL also offers professional training for librarians, helping them stay current with trends and technologies in the field. During workshops and conferences, they foster an environment where librarians can share knowledge and best practices to enhance their skills. Remember, understanding ACRL's mission not only helps you in academics, but also prepares you for future endeavors in library science.